Hello friends, now you have got another very simple exercise that is of course based on the simple present. Now what you have to do is insert do and then rewrite these sentences. Simple, he goes to school, he does go. He does go. Yesterday I told you, he does go to school. Okay? So what happens here is you insert when he do go goes. Then you remember the rule. Tense markers can be carried only by the auxiliary verbs. Do is an auxiliary verb or the first member of a verb phrase. Do is the first member or the extreme left element in a verb phrase. Do is the extreme left element. Then you add s here. And since it is O, you have to insert an E here. And then it becomes like mangoes. It's a mango vision. Mango. The mangoes. E-S. Or O-E-S. Mangoes. Like this. Do becomes does. Actually it is do. The does is the form that you get when you add s to that. Clear? Okay. Second one is they work on the farm. They do work on the farm. She teaches English. She does teach. See, the s has disappeared because it is attached to do. I love sports. I do love. Okay? You like fruits. You do like. You do like. Prasad lives in a village. Prasad does live. See? The S here S. No S here. Heaven knows. Heaven does know. See the SS disappeared. Now S there. Hell burns. Hell does burn. Not burns. See that. Because S is here. Hell burns. People say in hell there is fire. So, people say like that, that's why I wrote like this. Yes. Hill rises. Sometimes you will find, you look, when you go there, it's all very calm and quiet and flat. When you say, stay there for 1 or 2 minutes, you will find the hill rising. So that's it. Hill rises. Hill does rise. The sun sets. The sun does set. Did you see this? Change does S. The cat plays. The cat does play. See? Did you see this? Does play. The sun does set. Not the sun does sets. If you said the sun does sets, that will be a terrible mistake. The dog licks. The dog does lick. The sun shines. The sun does. The dog does lick. The sun does shine. The stars twinkle. Oh, twinkle. The stars do twinkle. The stars do twinkle. The moon hides. The moon does hide. Correct? See, the most important thing to note here is, I just want to tell you a point. My point is this. What is my point? That is, if you Many students I have seen writing like this. Prasad lives. Wrong. Heaven thus knows. Wrong. Hell thus burns. Wrong. Hill thus rises. Wrong. The sun thus sets. Wrong. The cat thus play. Wrong. The dog thus licks. Wrong. The sun thus shines. Wrong. The stars do tingle. It's okay. And then she thus teaches. Wrong. Understand? Because the S is here. You can see that. The S is here, S is with do. And then you have got the, here you have got S, that S you will find here. So there's no point. It should not. It's not that there's no point. Nose, S is here. Thus, see here is this. Burns, S here. But here, thus. Rises, thus here. Plays. The cat plays. Where is it? Thus. The sun, thus. Sun. Thus shine. Right? Which one is that? Hill. The sun sets. The sun thus set. Yes, correct. There the dog licks. That is, the dog thus, see that. Licks here, but here it is. Lick. You don't have it here, that's the thing. Thus here, thus. The sun shines, thus shine. The moon hides, the stars do things, that's okay. The moon shines, the moon thus hides. Clear? This is very, very important. Because very often students learning English, especially the present tense, they make this mistake. So we will not make this mistake. Sorry, we will not make this mistake. Is that all right? Fine. Bye. Have a nice day.